Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I've got a fun recipe for you today. This really takes me back to being a kid. I grew up in New York City and we used to go for Chinese takeout all the time, or a real treat would be to sit in a Chinese restaurant and get like 12 dishes put in front of me. I got to take a little bit out of each one, and for dessert they always had almond cookies and they were amazing. I miss them so much. So that's what we're making today. We're making almond cookies. This is the way I'm going to get to my husband's heart today. He loves almond pastries. So these cookies are really going to do it for him. So they're super simple and they're gluten-free, and of course they're vegan. Because you're on the Veganasfork channel after all. Woo, pump it up. Alright, so just a few ingredients. We've got some almond flour here, fine almond flour. The rest of the dry ingredients are baking soda, sea salt, and cinnamon. Really simple. Don't worry if you didn't get the amounts because I didn't say them. They're all going to be in the info box below. So we're just going to do a little pre-mixa, and then we're going to do a little pora. We're going to put the wet ingredients in. Alright, we're going to make a little well in the center here. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of refined coconut oil. You can use the extra virgin if you like. Thank you, oven. If you like the taste of coconut. My husband does not, so I have the refined one here because it doesn't taste like coconut at all. We're going to flavor it with almond extract. I got imitation.
It's okay, fake it till you make it.
Right? Or as Derek Huff would say, fake it till you are it.
Oh.
I don't know what the difference is, but the sweetener is going to be pure maple syrup. I wouldn't use any other sweetener because the liquid factor in this, it's not going to turn out right. Like if you put like regular granulated sugar or whatever, it's got to be something that's liquid, and I don't think anything else has the same intensity as maple syrup. Like agave, I don't know, is it double sweet or 1/4 more sweet or something?
I got no idea.
I don't know. It's a headache. But just get some maple syrup and it's really good. So we're just going to mix this. Yes, it's going to be sticky a little bit. If it's too loosey-goosey to work with, I would either add just a little bit more almond flour or let this sit in the fridge for a few minutes, because then the coconut oil will harden up again and it'll be easier to put it on the tray. Can you smell this already?
Yeah, it smells really good.
Can you smell this already?
I am congested and I smell that.
Yeah, this smells like a freaking winner. Make sure you get all of the lumps out, because sometimes it's okay to have lumps. I don't think it's okay this time to have lumps. So make sure you get all those white spots of the almond flour out. Oh, yes. So now, now I have my parchment paper on my cookie sheet. My oven just told me that it is ready to accept a tray of cookies. It is preheated to 325 degrees. So I'm going to take my 1 tablespoon cookie scoop and I'm going to scoop it out like that. And then I'm going to take an almond, or if you prefer an almond, and press it down into the center.
Yeah!
Flatten it out a little bit because this isn't going to spread much. Make it pretty. Alright, let's fill up the tray.
Looking yummy!
Oh my god, I just licked my finger and it's so marzipan-y, and I love marzipan. When my husband and I were very, very poor, we both worked at 7-Eleven down in Queens, different ones, and they would get these croissants with marzipan filling in the middle, and we would wait till nobody bought them at the end of the day, and then we would take all of them home and eat them all for free. So free tastes even better, but we love the marzipan. So that is going in for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to say it's probably going to be somewhere in between there, depending on your oven.
See you soon.
See you! They just came out of the oven a little while ago. They had a little bit of a chance to cool down. Some are chewy and some are crispy. So it's up to you
Let's try it crispy. We'll change it up.
Okay. I know you're a big fan of the chewies,
I
though.
love a soft, chewy cookie, but I'm gonna try it crispy.
Okay.
Mmm. That marzipan-y taste.
Yeah.
I love that so much.
That would be perfect with some tea, which we just had.
Oh, it's so good. Dad's gonna freaking love this.
There's gonna be something extra in my pay envelope this week. So, yeah.
That's delicious.
Why, thank you.
We gotta make that for the next family gathering.
It's very simple. Simple ingredients. Keep
Yeah.
it simple, stupid.
They're really easy to put together.
And gluten-free.
Try one.
I'm gonna try a chewy and go against the grain.
Okay.
Mmm. It's like the filling of the croissant.
I just got to the almond, which makes it even better.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
I hope you guys try it. It's so simple. You probably have everything you need right now to make this, so do it. Do it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, and until next time, much love.